Hi guys, welcome back to this tutorial video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to increase volume of your microphone. So you can see that I'm on my Windows, so hit on the Windows button, then we can search here input device. Alright, so we can see here manage input sound device, so click on that and we will show interface like this one, input and output devices. So you can see here Rod is my system input device, so here is the volume button. So I'm recording on 100%, so my volume is clear. So if you feel your voice damaged, so you can hit on that and you can turn into 100%. So that's the video for today. If you like my videos, do